The Ashokan Center is a serene and inspirational hideaway with 385 acres of forests, meadows, and streams in New York's beautiful Catskill Mountains. Leave the cares of the world behind and enjoy a rustic family getaway, a romantic escape, or a solo sojourn at this beautiful historic site. Private rooms each sleep up to 4 or 5 people with a private bathroom. Some rooms have a porch, all rooms have a coffee maker, refrigerator, and free Wi-Fi. Meals are included and served in our socially distanced dining hall or outdoors. Vegan and gluten-free options are available. For the safety of all guests and staff, masks must be worn in public areas. While you're here, enjoy canoeing, croquet, badminton, fishing, self-guided walks and hikes, and know that your stay at Ashokan supports our mission to teach, inspire, and build community through shared experiences in nature, music, history, and the arts. Relax, recharge, and restore your soul at Ashokan, your home away from home.